Hello everyone, this is Nadia from LifterLMS. Today I will discuss about our popular 30-day demo site. So, if you are an existing customer of LifterLMS, then you know about our demo site. But if you are new to LifterLMS, then this video is for you. So, let's get started. So, first, I will talk about what exactly our 30-day demo site is. We have created our 30-day demo site to help our customers. In LifterLMS, we have three bundles: our Earth bundle, our most popular Universe bundle, and our top rated Infinity bundle. So in our Infinity bundles, you will get our all advanced features like advanced quizzes, assignments, private coaching features, social learning features, advanced video features. So this Infinity bundle we are providing as a 30-day demo site to our customer. So on this trial site, you will get all these features we have on our Infinity bundle. So, one important thing is the LifterLMS 30-day demo site is a testing site hosted in a temporary staging environment. So, this 30-day demo site will not connect it to your live sites. So the purpose of this 30-day demo site is to give you a chance to taste the advanced add-ons of LifterLMS, so you can test this. So you can test our all the advanced add-ons. So now the question is, when you will buy this? When you will buy our 30-day demo site? So if you are new to LMS platform and you need clarification on which LMS will be best for you, is Lifter LMS perfect for you or which Lifter LMS bundle for you? So if you are in these situations that you are confused that which LMS, which Lifter LMS bundle, so then this is the high time to grab the 30-day demo site, which is only at $1. Can you imagine? Only at one. So what are you waiting for? Just get the 30-day demo site. So now I will show you how you can purchase this $1 30-day demo site. So just first visit on lifterlms.com. So here in the first section you will find this try for $1 for 30 days. So just click on this button. It will take some time. So now you can see that we have a video about this 30-day demo site. So now click on here, get your demo site for $1. So here you can you add your first name, your last name, your region. You have to provide all of the information here, and then you will get a place order option here. I already purchased this 30-day demo site, so now I'll show you about the scenario after purchasing this. So after purchasing this, you will get this web address links. So basically, this links is your 30-day demo site links. Here we have our username and password. So just click on this link. So congratulations, here is your 30-day trial site. So here now you can add any themes, any plugins, lots of courses, memberships you want. Also you will find all of the advanced add-ons here. So let's see. LifterLMS groups, advanced videos, assignments, advanced quizzes. You will find every advanced features of LifterLMS. You can try these. So also you can see that here is our remaining time. So after 30 days, this trial site will automatically disappear. So now you can try anything. You can do anything with it. So if you enjoyed my video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.